I founded Salarium back in 2013, specifically to first tackle as a payroll SaaS. I saw a lot of small and medium businesses were really missing this kind of key automation component. And over the years, we've really become one of the leading fintechs as well. So what we currently offer companies is a free time, attendance, and payroll solution if they pay their employees on our financial product, which is SalPay, right? And so this really becomes a win-win-win. Like the company is getting one of the top class automation softwares basically for free. Employees are getting a great software that allows them to get paid, but also allows their money to go farther. SalPay enables them to pay their bills or buy load much more easily. And of course we win, we're helping both customers and the companies with our business. So we work with some companies that most people know, like Anytime Fitness. We work with some branches of 7-Eleven. We work with Gulf Gas Station, with F2 Logistics, Zend Couriers. These are some of the brands. We work with over 600 companies. And most of these are small and medium enterprises, but we don't limit the sector. So we have all the way from IT companies to fast food, to retail, to construction, mining. Really, the whole gambit is covered with Salarium. Currently, we're using the blockchain to solve a specific need of some of our existing clients, which is SME BPOs. So of these 600 companies, yeah, specifically BPOs or any multinational company, but we have hundreds of BPOs that currently use our platform. And they have a particular problem is that they have to bring their money in from overseas, right? If you're a BPO, it means by definition, your clients are in the US, in Australia, in Singapore, they're not here in the Philippines, right? And you have to bring this money to pay your employees. And what we're proposing is we create an ICO, right? To enable us, to give us the cash that we need to get the licenses and create liquidity to build a new type of remittance network, right? So everybody's very familiar with how blockchain or Bitcoin can be used for remittance, right? That's one of the primary use cases of it. Unfortunately, Bitcoin has become very expensive, right? So if you were to remit, if you wanted to buy Bitcoin in California, send it back to the Philippines, sell it here in one of the major Bitcoin exchanges, you're actually losing about 8 to 8.5%. What we're proposing is to create a new type of Bitcoin, a new coin, a new token, the SAL token, that will be much cheaper and faster. So we will enable transactions at 1% or less with no Forex loss. So if you're sending money from Australia to the Philippines, you'll maximum pay is 1%, and the Forex rate you'll get is exactly like when you Google. And so we are doing this ICO as a way for the community to kind of crowdfund or help us fund this operation. We've pre-sold the tokens, right? So you're buying tokens that you will eventually use in our network next year to remit this funds, and that's the kind of basic understanding of it. Is it's a way for people to help support this project. We have a campaign that we're running for people that will join some of our social media campaigns. They will be able to earn free SALs, right? So we have a way that they can still register. They can get 5 or 10 SALs for free. And so when our exchange opens next year, they will be already able to start transacting and working with these and really kind of participate in what we see as the Bitcoin of the future, something that really envisions what Bitcoin wanted, which is fast, cheap ways to transfer money.